Crave the freedom of conquering unbeaten paths and the flexibility of having a mobile home on wheels? If so, then a Class B motorhome designed for off-roading may be just what you need. These rugged and versatile vehicles can take you to remote destinations and provide you with all the comforts of home while on the road. In this video, we'll showcase the top 5 Class B motorhomes for off-roading, so you can choose the perfect one for your next off-road adventure. Rigwell Blanco is the ultimate dream for those who want adventure and independence on the road. Built on a 4x4 Mercedes Sprinter, this vehicle is designed to conquer the toughest terrain with ease. The exterior of the Rigwell Blanco is fitted with a custom hood wrap and classic BF Goodrich KO2 tires mounted on Method 703 trail wheels, giving it an aggressive look that matches its rugged capabilities. Underneath, the Rigwell Blanco is equipped with a Van Compass Stage 2.5 suspension kit, providing better ground clearance and improved off-road performance. The interior of the motorhome is equally impressive, with a well-designed layout that maximizes living space and comfort. Blanco's interior features a drop-down table, isotherm 85 fridge, and a galley kitchen, complete with a sink, stove, and storage space for cookware and utensils. The tripod couch can be easily converted into a second bed, making it ideal for families or groups of friends. Additionally, the patent-pending flip-flop bed transforms the queen-size bed into a stowed position, creating ample space for a standing work surface. In summary, the Rigwell Blanco is a versatile and capable Class B motorhome that can take you on adventures both on and off the road. With its rugged exterior and well-designed interior, it offers the freedom and flexibility to explore the great outdoors with comfort and convenience. Doho Van's Second Point is the perfect beach van that's designed to make your seaside adventure even more enjoyable. It's built on the reliable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 144, which is known for its durability and performance. The interior of the van is designed to provide you with all the necessary amenities that you need for a comfortable and luxurious camping experience. The galley kitchen of the Second Point is equipped with a dual-burner stove that allows you to cook your favorite meals on the go. The Corian countertop provides ample space for food preparation, and the isotherm 12-volt fridge keeps your food and drinks fresh and cold. Whether you're cooking for yourself or for a group of friends, the Second Point has got you covered. The lounge area of the Second Point is another highlight of the van. It has seating for 8 people, which means you can comfortably host a small party inside the van. The overhead storage provides ample space to store your belongings, and the lounge area easily converts into a huge bed when you need to rest and recharge. Overall, with the Doho Van's Second Point, you can enjoy the beautiful scenery of the beach while having all the comforts of home at your fingertips. Tourig Clifford is a versatile van that's perfect for all your needs, whether you're exploring off-road terrains or touring with your family and friends. This van is based on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter and comes equipped with all the necessary exterior upgrades for off-road overnight adventures for 2. It also has luxurious Shieldman seats that can accommodate up to 8 people, making it perfect for a large group of people. It features an agile off-road suspension kit, 17-inch matte black Rhino Barstow wheels, a backwoods platform roof rack with a light bar, Nerf bar side steps, and a worn winch, making it a perfect vehicle for adventure enthusiasts who crave excitement and challenges. Inside, the upper bed panel is a removable Olympic platform bed that can accommodate 2 people comfortably, providing ample space to rest and rejuvenate after a long day of adventure. The interior lighting in the van ensures that you can have a cozy ambiance while traveling. Lastly, this van's got a 190-watt solar panel, enabling you to power your devices and gadgets without worrying about running out of battery. Next, introducing the Vansmith Rock and Roll 2.0, a van conversion that's perfect for those who crave adventure and the great outdoors. Built on a Mercedes Sprinter 4x4, the Rack and Roll 2.0 is designed with a full kitchen, a cozy lofted bed, and premium materials that exude luxury and comfort. But what sets this van conversion apart is its impressive features that cater to the rough and rugged terrain that lies ahead. The Van Compass suspension upgrades, black Rhino and Method wheels, and beefy all-terrain tires make sure you can conquer even the toughest terrains with ease. Inside, the Rack and Roll 2.0 offers ample storage space with its lofted bed that provides enough room to store your mountain bikes and adventure gear safely. With multiple shelves, drawers, and an open space design, you can keep everything organized and within reach. Wrapping up with this outside van's Mule, which stands as your ultimate companion for the most demanding expeditions. This custom-built 4x4 camper van is designed to take on the toughest terrain with its Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, heavy-duty suspension, and 4x4 drivetrain. With a durable exterior that can withstand harsh weather conditions, the Mule is ready to tackle any challenge, be it Rocky Mountain trails or muddy backcountry roads. But this Mule isn't just a beast on the outside. It has been thoughtfully designed with all the comforts of home in mind. Inside, you'll find a full kitchen complete with a sink, refrigerator, and stove, allowing you to whip up delicious meals even in the middle of nowhere. The spacious sleeping area provides a comfortable retreat after a long day of exploring, and the thermoregulation system ensures that you can stay cozy and comfortable no matter the temperature outside. Okay, that was our third video on the top 5 Class B motorhomes for off-roading. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.